Hampton Bay Ceiling Fan Catalog 2001. This is one of the years that Hampton Bay really made good ceiling fans. Alright, gonna start off with all around the house. Got this stuff. Got some flush mounted. Got Chatham, Gedge House, Littleton. They're all just okay. Yeah, I like the good designs for the Chatham and the Gedge House. Got the Huntington 3. I have 3 Huntington 3s in my house, including one in the very finish. Currently installed in my bedroom. Got the Wellington 3, kind of like that too. Can't believe I have a lot of 3 Huntington 3s in 3 different finishes. One of them is in their day. Cameron 2 Plus Carousel, Sonoma. Yes, I do have a Cameron 2 Plus in my office at my house, which is going to be a spare bedroom. Back in Alaska, there's Cameron 2 Plus in blue back in my house. Very neat with Cameron 2 Pluses. I really love Cameron 2 Pluses. They really are the great stuff. Moving on, we got the Jericho 2, Bridgeton, Minuet 2, St. Clair, Landmark 3, and the Princeton 2. I have a Princeton, but with the middle light. By the way, I have a Hampton Bay Maplewood 2 in the den, and Vincent, Pearl, Cameron, San Marino, Grayton. Can't believe I have some of the fans in this catalog. Callaway Winwood 2 Industrial. Cannot believe I have a Hampton Bay Maplewood in the den, a Hampton Bay Princeton in the living room. There's the gazebos. Princeton, Stratford, Cosby's Plus, Vista. That was just okay. Yeah, the Princetons in the Passport 3 are the original low profile. So, see, Princeton is in the living room at my house, the Maplewood's in the den at my house, then the Huntington 3's on my bedroom, the basement living area, and the dining room. Wait! Also forgot, I also have a Hampton Bay Landmark Plus and antique brass in the kitchen at my house, which, as you can see, it only works on low. The antique brass Landmark Plus that I have back in my house. I'm at Otto's house right now. The antique brass Landmark Plus only works on low, which might need to get replaced. Probably I have to make Glendale, or might replace the chains. Alright, see ya!